Yeah, Lango Omara Dickens Awita, accredited court mediator, High Court Karachel Kede, Chief Magistrate Court, in charge of entire Lango sub-region. According to Tamame President both to take Lango, the best option just to get back for mediation. Tame will record will never solve this matter kina or juari kama yosam kama engineer Michael Donkone.
Why did you choose mediation to court?
Mediation is the only way that can resolve this matter than going to court. Because these are the issue of the clan. So because when you go to court will never give side to both parties. At least one person has to win, one person has to lose. At the end of it all, when the court says this person has won, the person which has lose will again take another way of redress, which is not good.